You are on Zoom call meetings every week using the built-in camera on your laptop. You notice that your video quality isn't very good and you're thinking about upgrading your webcam. Before you do, if you have a smartphone, an iPhone, or an old phone you no longer are using, in this video, I'm going to show you how to repurpose your old phone or use your current phone into a webcam that will be better quality than the built-in webcam on your desktop or laptop. Hi YouTube, I'm Ryan and this is the Elevate Project. If you find value in this video, please hit that like button, comment below, and consider subscribing to get more content like this one. During the pandemic, like many others, I was on Zoom meetings or WebEx meetings and I started to really notice how bad my video quality was. Because this was for work, I was really hesitant to invest in upgrading the webcam for better quality. I first did some research and talked to friends that seemed to have really good video quality on Zoom. Without investing in a new webcam, they all suggested better lighting. I moved my laptop around and positioned some bright LED lights and noticed a big difference. As I started to do more and more presentations, I felt the need to really get a new webcam. And looking back, it was probably fine for my colleagues with the current quality with better lighting. A couple of months ago, I finally upgraded my iPhone 10, and I wanted to see how I can repurpose it before deciding to sell it. One of the options I came across was using my iPhone 10 into a webcam by using an app called Epocam. There are other apps and options to turn your iPhone into a webcam, and if you want to see videos on those different options, comment below. So I will show you how to turn your iPhone into a webcam using this app with a Mac. If you have a different smartphone or Android device and a PC, Epocam will actually work with both platforms. Let's get into it. First, you want to go to the App Store on your phone and search for Epocam. You'll notice there is two apps. One is a regular Epocam and another app of an Epocam with a different color icon, which is actually the Pro version or paid option. I would suggest to try the free option first to test it out on your device and to make sure you are happy with the quality coming from your phone before you decide on paying for the paid version, which is at this time of this recording a one-time fee, unlike other options, which is a month-to-month or yearly subscription. Just a note, this isn't a sponsored video, and I have no ties to Elgato, the maker of Epocam, currently in any financial way. It is just an app I tried and have been using from time to time that worked flawlessly with my Zoom and WebEx meetings. Okay, you have the app on your iPhone. When you click on the app, it will actually walk you through the steps to download the driver to connect to your computer. Step 1, choose the operating system, either Mac or Windows, and you have the option to airdrop. If you have a Mac, you can email the download link or copy the download link and paste it into your web browser. You can also go to their website, elgato.com, and I'll walk you through how to download the companion app to connect to your computer. Depending on when you watch this video, the steps I'm about to show you could be a little bit different in the locations to download what you are going to see. Once you go to the Elgato website, go to Downloads, and then go to Select Your Product. Under Cameras, click on Epocam. Then from there, choose either Mac or PC, and then below that, click on the Epocam driver download icon and install. I'm not going to click on the download and install as I already have it installed on this particular Mac. This is all you have to do, and it will run in the background as you open Zoom, WebEx, Microsoft Teams, or another video conferencing platform. So let's open up Zoom on my computer and connect your phone or your iPhone to show up as a webcam. So now that we have Zoom open, let's go to the video icon, click on the arrow, view the different camera options, and you should see Epocam as one of those options. Once you choose Epocam, go ahead and turn the app on your iPhone to connect to Zoom. Now you should see video streaming from your iPhone. It works pretty flawlessly with no real signs of delay. So let's take a look at some different settings that Epocam offers in the app. When you click on the cogwheel, you see you can change the settings to connect through Wi-Fi or USB and even change the quality. Depending on your internet speed, you can choose from fair or even the best. And also, if you're doing this wirelessly, it's going to also affect the connection to your computer. For me, I have it set to best. You can use the option to use your front-facing camera or even the back-facing camera. And if your iPhone has a flash, you can use the flash as extra lighting, which is really cool. There's also different options to mirror and also offers pretty cool background effects. You can blur the background and even have a green screen effect. Your iPhone truly becomes a full-featured webcam. And in the Pro version, which is what I ended up paying for, enables you to stream at 1080p. You'll be able to unlock more features in the Pro versions, which include HDR color, manual focus to really dial in the quality, and even use your microphone on your phone as a wireless mic, which will help ensure video and audio is synced. The Pro version gives you that green screen, that flashlight option, and also no watermark and more. My personal suggestion is just to try the free version to see if your iPhone will work with your computer, with Zoom, and whatever platform you're actually using, and then go to the Pro version, because the free version is limited and it's not going to give you that full 1080p streaming and also the features I mentioned earlier. Now, that is pretty cool way to turn your iPhone into a webcam that will work with Zoom, WebEx, and other online streaming software. I personally use WebEx a lot, and Zoom, and Microsoft Teams for a few meetings. One thing I noticed with a Mac, Epocam doesn't work with MS Teams. So if you are using Microsoft Teams a lot, I did some research and you can actually use Epocam with Microsoft Teams currently only on a PC or Windows platform. So is having an iPhone as a webcam the best option? It might be, with a few caveats. Let's talk about some pros and cons. Some pros: it works wirelessly, so you can place the iPhone anywhere you like to give you different viewing angles: top view, side view, front view. And when you upgrade to the Pro version, with that resolution, it bumps that up to 1080p. And it works with popular video conferencing platforms with ease, like Zoom and WebEx. You can use the front camera so you can see yourself, or use the back camera for the best possible image. With upgrading to the Pro version, you can use the flash, get HDR, and even have different background options. A few cons: if you don't have a mount or a tripod or something to prop your iPhone, you will need to purchase extra accessories. Depending on your iPhone or smartphone, the quality might not be as good as your current built-in camera. Depending on how long your meetings will be, you may need to make sure the iPhone is fully charged or at least plugged in with continuous power. To get all the features that make the app great, you do need to upgrade to the Pro version. And if your laptop is a Mac and you use Microsoft Teams primarily for all your online presentations or meetings, then this won't work today. Overall, even if you have to purchase a mount and pay for the Pro version, which is about $799 US at the time of this recording, it's still going to be cheaper than upgrading your webcam to a 1080p full-featured webcam by a major brand. And depending on your iPhone, it will probably be better quality than a lot of the 1080p webcams on the market. I will say this option is good if you have a spare phone or old smartphone you are not using. I personally found if you use this on your main phone, having messages and calls can be annoying and can easily drain your battery once you are done and start using your main phone as a typical smartphone with streaming, calls, and other apps. Of course, you can have it connected to a charger. I just wanted to make those notes. If this is something you are 100% committed to use this option on your main device. If you found value in this video, hit the like button and comment below if you tried this out and how it worked out, and consider subscribing if you like content like this one by hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.